Hello friends, welcome back to channel Civil Engineering Academy. In our previous video, we learned about the dumpy level, its parts, uses and the working. Now moving one step ahead, let's understand the auto level, which is an advanced instrument used in the surveying for leveling work. Compared to the dumpy level, the auto level provides more accuracy and the ease of use because of its automatic compensator system. So in this video, we'll see in detail the parts of a auto level, its a working principle, how readings are taken on the field, then uses of a auto level, its advantages and the limitations of auto level, as well as we'll see how to take care and the maintenance of a auto level. So let's start. Auto level is a precision instrument used in surveying and building construction for measuring levels, elevations and distances. It is an improvement over the dumpy level with an automatic compensator that ensures the line of a site is always horizontal. It is mainly used for leveling, contouring, cross-sectioning and setting out works. Now we'll see the working principle of a auto level. The auto level works on the principle of a line of a site being horizontal. An internal compensator mechanism automatically removes small tails of the telescope, ensuring the accurate horizontal sighting. And surveyors take the reading on the leveling staff placed at different points to calculate the reduced level using HI method or rise and the fall method. Now the next is parts of a auto level. There are the different parts of a auto level like telescope, compensator, leveling head, base plate, circular level, horizontal circle, focusing knob, eyepiece, objective lens, mirror, etc. So we'll see one by one in detail. Let us start with the first part of the auto level, that is telescope. It is used for setting the shaft and the magnifying the image, and it contains the objective lens, eyepiece, focusing screw. And the next part is a compensator. It keeps the line of a sight perfectly horizontal even if the instrument is slightly tilted, and this is the actual difference in between the dumpy level and the auto level. The compensator is present in the auto level to keep the line of a sight perfectly horizontal. The next part is leveling head. It has a foot screws for the fine adjustment and leveling. It is mounted on the tripod. Now the next part is a base plate. Base plate connects the instrument to the tripod. The next is circular level. It is used for the initial rough leveling of the instrument. And the horizontal circle is also there, which is graduated circle for the measuring horizontal angles. The next part is a focusing knob. It sharpens the image of the staff reading. The next is eyepiece. Eyepiece adjusts the crosshair for the clear vision. The next is objective lens. Objective lens focuses on the leveling staff so that one can take the clear reading. The next is a mirror. It is provided some time to see the circular bubble while sightening. So these are the different parts of a auto level, and auto level is a very easy instrument to operate in the surveying. Once you know all the parts and the functions of a auto level, you can easily operate it. Now the next point is setting up the auto level. Before we start taking any observation with the auto level, the first and the most important task is setting up the instrument correctly. A proper setup ensures the accuracy in the reading. So let's go step by step for setting the auto level. Before setting the auto level, we need to select the location. For that, choose a firm and the stable ground to set the tripod and avoid the loose soil, uneven ground or areas where the legs might sink. Then, if possible, place the tripod in the central position so that the shaft can be read easily in all directions. Then the next step is fixing the tripod. Spread the tripod legs wide enough to give the stable base and push the legs firmly into the ground. The next is adjust the height so the instrument will be at the comfortable eye level. Then after that, we have to mount the auto level over the tripod. So place the auto level on the tripod head and secure it with the centering screw or the tripod screw, and make sure it is tightly fixed to avoid any shake during the observation. Then do the rough leveling by tripod legs. Adjust the tripod legs so that the circular bubble of the auto level is approximately at the center, and this is the primary leveling just to bring the instrument into the workable position. Once we done with the rough leveling by tripod legs, we need fine leveling with the foot screws. For that, use the 3 leveling screws for the precise adjustment, and always remember, turn 2 screws together in the same direction and third one separately. Keep the adjusting until the bubble comes exactly in the center of the circular tube, and after that check the compensator. The auto level has a built-in the compensator system that automatically maintains the line of a sight horizontal. And to check this, gently tap the instrument and the bubble should return to the center. And if it doesn't come, then the compensator may need servicing. After checking the compensator, if it is okay, then go for the next step, that is focusing the telescope. First, use the eyepiece focusing ring to get the sharp view of the crosshair. Then, sight the leveling staff and use the focusing knob until the staff readings appear sharp and clear. Then, at last, ensure the instrument is steady, the bubble is centered, and the staff is clearly visible. And now your auto level is ready for taking accurate observations. So, this is all about the setting up of the instrument. Now, the next point is taking readings with auto level. Once our auto level is properly set up and adjusted, the next step is to take the readings on the staff, and this process must be done carefully to ensure the accuracy. Now the very first thing is to place a leveling staff vertically at the point to be measured. Then look through the telescope and note the staff readings at crosshair intersection. Then take 3 types of reading, like backside reading, which is taken as a first reading on the benchmark. Then take the intermediate side reading, that reading is taken on the unknown points. And then next is foresight reading, that is the last reading taken before the shifting instrument. Whenever we take the first reading on the instrument session, it is taken on the known reduced level and we enter that reading in the backside reading. Then last reading before shifting the instrument session is taken as a foresight reading, and in between the backside reading and the foresight reading, whatever the readings are taken are considered or written in the intermediate side readings. So this is the way to take the readings. Then next thing, calculate the reduced level using either height of instrument method or rise and fall method. In our previous video of Dumpy level, I have explained each and every point about the height of instrument method. If you want the details about the rise and fall method, please comment rise and fall method. Then the next thing is uses of auto level. Auto level is used to determine reduced level of different points. It is used to transfer the levels for construction of a building, roads, canals, and railways. It is also used to control the surveying for land development. Also, it is used to cross-sectioning in the highways and the earthworks. Auto level is also used for the setting out works like foundation, pipeline, drainage, etc. Now the next point is advantages of a auto level. Auto level is a quick and easy to use. The automatic compensator present in the auto level reduces human errors. Auto level is more accurate as compared to the dumpy level. It saves time in the large scale projects, and it can be used by the semi-skilled operators after training. The next point is the limitations of a auto level. Auto level cannot measure the vertical angle. For that we need theodolite. Then the accuracy depends on the compensator condition. If it is not in the good condition, it gives the error in the readings. Then sensitive to the vibrations and the rough handling. Then auto level needs calibration regularly to take the accurate readings. Because of it's a compensator, we need to calibrate regularly. Now the next point is the care and the maintenance of instrument. In any instrument, the care and the maintenance is a very important point. So handle the instrument carefully and avoid shocks and the vibrations in any instrument, and always carry it in the protective case when it is not in the use. Then keep the instrument dry, protect from the rain and the moisture. Do not touch the lenses with fingers, use a soft lens cloth for the cleaning. Then check and adjust the bubble level before the every use, and avoid looking directly at the sun through the telescope. Then the most important, store the auto level in a dust-free, cool and the dry place. Then always ensure the tripod is firm and stable during the use. Regularly check and calibrate the instrument for the accuracy, and do not force the screws or the knobs. Use gentle adjustment for it. So these are the few care and the maintenance for the instrument. This is all about the auto level. So thank you so much for watching video till end. If you found the content of this video useful, then please like it, share and the subscribe channel.